Stop wasting time on manual letter creation. The procedure is greatly simplified by our system. Generate professional letters in seconds with our pre-built templates. Choose from a variety of templates like joining letters, offer letters, increment letters, and acceptance letters. Simply fill in the recipient details and send. Need more flexibility? Customize existing templates to match your company's specific needs and branding. Track the status of your sent letters and gain delivery confirmation for added peace of mind. Ensure consistent and professional communication with all your stakeholders. Standardize your letter format and branding for a polished image. Minimize errors with predefined templates and automated processes. Don't see a template you need? No problem. Create your own custom letter templates for any scenario.